Are the holidays not living up to your expectations? Hi, I'm Denise Marie Nichols from Cooking and Karma, and in this video I will be giving you a few tips on how to make the holidays more memorable this year. Okay, the holidays. We have dreams of Hallmark Channel holidays with the snow and the decorations and everyone is smiling and happy. But sometimes, many times, there are things that we have had patterns or habits from the past that are holding us back from having the fun that we should or having the joy that we should for the season. So my first tip here is to let go. Let go of those habits and patterns that you've had in the past that stopped you from enjoying those memorable moments. Are there aunts and uncles that you're going to see that drive you crazy? Does Uncle Charlie chew with his mouth open and Aunt Susie is always talking about, why don't you have any kids? Why aren't you married? There's so many times when you're with family that sometimes things can be said or things can be done that are quite irritating. So before these things go on, before you go to see them, I want you to let go of it. Acknowledge that it might happen and let it go. Don't worry about it. Instead, maybe think why. Why are they doing or saying what they do? There's many reasons why, and I've learned through my experience that when you find out the why behind a behavior, most likely or more likely than not, it helps you through that situation. So if you're bringing something in from the past, let it go. Start anew. Understand that there's a why behind it. Usually it's a why of care and concern, and it's in something from the past will not help you with the future. The next tip is, how do you communicate care? After all, that's what gift giving is. Gift giving is showing someone else that you care about them. Think about what other gifts you can give besides purchase gifts. Can you give the gift of time? Can you give the gift of cleaning their house? Can you give to a charity in their honor? I know that sometimes money is tight and that holds us back from giving the gifts that we may want. But purchase gifts aren't the only gifts you can give. What is going on in someone's life that they may need something else? Maybe it is a flower. Maybe they're missing someone this year who is not around. So maybe you want to give them something else, something more memorable and not necessarily expensive. Expressing how you feel about someone is the ultimate gift. And whether it's a baked good or a high-ticket item, either way, the person that you're giving it to will understand. Is letting go of judgment for yourself and for others. As joyous as the holidays are, sometimes they can be a bit volatile. So whether you're blaming your family for not helping out or feeling disappointed looking back at your year, notice these judgmental thoughts. Try to get rid of those judgmental words such as inadequate or wrong or bad. This can be difficult, but if you can just notice those thoughts and move on. Don't let the thoughts overcome you with emotion or affect your mood. After all, Christmas does only come once a year. Holidays are such a busy time with the baking and the shopping and the decorating. But by practicing active listening, you and your loved ones will experience a deeper holiday experience. How can we do this? Well, first we can minimize distractions, put away those phones and turn off the TV and really look at the person who's talking to you. Acknowledge that they're talking to you. Nod your head, smile, and just listen without comment. Try to listen and understand your guest's exact message, even if you don't agree. By being attentive to the emotions of others, you're going to have a better ability to connect with your family or your friends. Observe how the others are feeling during the holidays. Read the room, as they say. Be open to their emotions. By reading the room, you're going to have the ability to connect and reconnect with them, and you're going to be able to help them. And sometimes just listening without comment is all a person needs for a happy holiday. I hope these tips can help you out during the holidays. We want all our holidays to be joyful and full of memories. And if they're unable to be, these tips might help you through some of those times that can be a little troubling and giving you a very, very merry and happy holiday.